Hello and welcome to the Online College of Coding video tutorial series. This is video 7 of the series on beginner programming concepts. In this video we'll be talking about bugs. Before you watch this video, it's recommended that you've seen the preceding videos in the series. Let's get started. After you're done writing an algorithm and you begin testing it, it's likely you will encounter some bugs. Bugs are things happening in your program that you didn't intend or anticipate. Bugs are accidentally caused by programmers a lot of the time, but they're not the sign of a bad programmer. Usually they're caused by using the wrong variable or operator, making the values you get a little bit different to what you expect. In 1946, a computer scientist called Grace Hopper had a moth get stuck inside her computer, and it started to cause problems. This exact situation is what coined the term bug. Removing the bug became debugging. So if you have any moths or bugs in your code, the most useful thing you can do is to get your code to report back to you. In Scratch, a great way to do this is by ticking the box next to the variable you have created, or using the say block. If you're unsure of a variable's value, you can get a sprite to say it at any time. As you become a more experienced programmer, you won't always need your code to report back to you. This is because, as you encounter more and more bugs, they start to look familiar and become easier to fix. If you're having trouble finding the buggy code, or are unsure how to fix your bug, don't hesitate to ask a teacher or type your problem into Google. No matter what your programmer level is, you're likely to find bugs in your code as you try out new things. Debugging is a necessary skill to have, and you'll get plenty of time to practice as you become a better programmer. Thanks for watching. This is the last video in the series on beginner programming concepts. Be sure after this series to check out one of our beginner programming courses. See you next time.